Hey friends, so today we are going to make very interesting thing, that is mobile holder by using spoon. Yeah, you heard right, by using spoon. So let's start. With the help of plier, bend the spoon. Same with the other spoon. With the help of hot glue gun, stick the end of spoons to each other. Now take a fork and bend it with the help of plier. Same with the other fork. Stick the end of forks with the help of hot glue gun. Now join the spoon with the help of solder wire. Now stick the end of the wire with the help of Fevikwik. Now join the hands to the spoon, or you can say to the body with the help of shoulder wire. And then stick the end of the wire with Fevikwik. So the holder is almost ready. For double protection, we are using hot glue gun to fill the gaps. After filling the gaps, let it dry for some time. Then cut unwanted threads of glue with the help of detail knife and scissor for finished look. Keep this holder aside and take stainless steel scrubber and scissor. Now cut the scrubber with the help of scissor. Now stick the small pieces of the scrubber to the spoon. Now cut the extra unwanted scrubber pieces with the help of scissor.